We're here at Ignition Fest. We're gonna go check it out. It's New Orleans' own version of Burning Man, like the very popular 3-day art installation and camp-out festivity that is held in Nevada. Well, this is New Orleans' first attempt at it through the crew of Chewbacca, and at the end of the festivities, we will have a large burning structure, a wooden alligator one of the nights, and on the last night, a large Chewbacca, which is the theme from the crew of Chewbacca. Come along with me and let's check it out.
This 3-day experience features music, interactive art installations, sound stages, theme camps, and much more. Ignition is a totally immersive art experience that is curated by its participants. Everyone who attends the event has the same opportunity to bring along whatever their heart desires for the same universal ticket price. You are encouraged to bring interactive art and amazing experiences to share with your fellow campers. This inaugural event is a benefit for the intergalactic crew of Chewbaccas, Inc., 501c3, NOLA's beloved science fiction and fantasy-themed carnival organization. The crew of Chewbaccas declared itself a satirical space cult as part of its 2015 parade theme. Like all things associated with Chewbaccas, the joke quickly transcended itself and became reality. The crew transformed itself into a non-profit charitable organization and was officially recognized as a religion. Over the last year, Chewbaccas began a dedicated effort to make a viable positive impact in the community directly under the banner of the Sacred Drunken Wookiee, and formed beneficial partnerships with several other local nonprofits, including Second Harvest and KidSmart. Envision the wacky, homemade glory of the Chewbacca's parade extended over the course of 3 days and transformed into the ultimate satirical space cult camping trip. This gigantic effigy of Chewbacca himself, seated in a transcendental state of divine repose, will invoke the spirit of cosmic collaboration that embodies the ethos of Ignition. Ignition indulges participants with the opportunity to be intimately involved in the intersection of science and art. I'm Tammy B for Encounters and Evolutions.